How to pin a comment on TikTok live as a moderator. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the TikTok application on your device. Now, before the moderator is able to pin a comment on TikTok live, they need to get the pin comment access from the admin of the live. For that, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then swipe and head over to the live section. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon. Then from the settings, tap on the moderators option. Now you can find your moderators over here. Simply tap on the edit comment option. And once you do, you're going to find the manage access options from here. Scroll down until you find the option of pin comments on the advanced access. Then you simply want to toggle this option on. Once you have given the pin comments access to the moderator, they can pin a comment on the live. To do that, all the moderator has to do is tap on the comment that you want to pin. Then you're going to find the option of pin comment and simply tap on that option. And in this way, you can pin a comment on TikTok as a moderator. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.